Service item groups help you to efficiently organize and manage the services you offer. They are useful for both filtering your schedule and reporting on your business. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Service item groups allow you to group services together. They can be used to filter a specific group of services on your schedule. For example, to show all dog walks. If you plan to use the Group Planner view, these groups are essential for the setup. We'll dive into how to configure your Group Planner view in detail in another video. These groups are also used in reports to display the total value of scheduled services and to group similar services together in the client portal. To get started, navigate to the Admin tab and then choose Service Item Groups under the Services menu. Here you can add new groups, edit existing ones, or delete them. To add a new group, click Add New and enter a name for the group. You can also enter booking and cancellation restrictions for the entire group if you wish. This will override your company restrictions. For this example, we'll leave these as none. We'll cover client portal restrictions in more detail in another video. Always remember to click Update to ensure that your changes are saved. You can edit existing groups in the same way. Simply select the group from the list, make your changes, and click Update. You can also reorganize your list by clicking the up and down arrows located to the right of the group. This order determines how your service groups are displayed in the Select Service drop-down menu within the Request Services tab of the client portal. If you need to delete a group, click Delete and confirm your choice. Once you've set up your groups, you can allocate your services to a group. To do this, click Service Items. To view your list, select the service you wish to edit, and then choose the appropriate group from the drop-down list. Again, click Update to save your changes. Now, let's take a brief look at how your scheduler can be filtered to show specific groups. This is useful for managing your workflow efficiently. Additionally, these groups are utilized in reporting to give you insights into your services. We'll explore both reporting and the scheduler in much greater detail in another video. And that's it! With service item groups, you can organize your services more effectively, making it easier for you and your clients to navigate. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.